Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will talk about another shell script topic where we will learn how we can fetch the value related to stream max. Now, in order to fetch the information related to stream max, what we can do, we can fetch the value with the help of getconf utility. Okay, so as we have already covered various type of configuration variable that we can fetch with the help of getconf utility, so stream max is also one of them. Okay, so when you try to use getconf utility, it asks for the configuration variable for which you want to fetch the value, and at that place if you try to fetch or access the stream max, then it will provide you the required output. Now, some of you might not be aware of what is getconf ID, getconf, and what is um, stream max. So don't worry, like I have already prepared some notes for you that I will show you once I'm ready with my the code. So what we can do, like firstly we will create one shell script from scratch. So I'll just prepare one script, and after preparing it, like we will simply use it and we'll try to understand the program flow as well as the output that we have got. After that, we will see the case sensitivity part, because some of you might be directly referring this session, so it is important for them to understand that this is case sensitive command. So we will see like what is the exact way to use the values on script. And once everything is clear, then we will then we will walk through the output or the theory that I have already prepared. So I have prepared some notes, so we will walk through it, and at last we will run a same script through cl program. Okay, so this is how we are going to proceed with this session. So let's start. First thing is we can write here work lnk, which will open this work with object link screen. Then hit enter. After hitting enter, you will see that there are various files or directories already created. So I'm going to use this Sharmit directory, so taking option 5. Then we have various files like Sharmit 1.sh, 2.sh, 3.sh. So for example, let's say if we want to run this Sharmit 3.sh, so I'll simply take option 2 here. But the one condition is very important, like this script should be in executable mode, because if your script is not in executable mode, it will give you error. So this is the very important thing, that your script should be always in the executable mode. Okay, so now it's time. I'm assuming that your script is in already executable mode, so I'm taking option 2 over here, and this is the script which we are going to use. So in this script we have multi-line comment, that is just for showing the uh, topic name as well as the presenter name. So you can see presenter name is Sharmit and session name is getconf utility in shell script. Okay, so this is just for the introductory purpose. Now we will write this uh, actual script from here. So first thing is echo, then space, then you can put the introductory line here. For example, I want to uh, fetching stream underscore max using get conf utility. Okay, so what it will do, it will fetching stream max using getconf utility. So what it will do, it will print this value on screen. Now this line is just for those like who are directly referring or who are directly calling this script from the Qshell command prompt. Okay, so here like you can see we just printed the thing. And remember one thing, like whenever you are writing such type of configuration variable, always put it in capital letters. And when we talk about the utility, then always put it in small letters. Why? Because if you try to use this in small, it will give error, and if you try to use it in capital letters, it will give error. So although like in echo it will not affect, in echo if you write in a small, then also it will print, but it's always better to make a habit to write it in capital letters and this value in small letters. Okay, so fine, we just printed the value. Now it's time to run the actual command. So to command, you can simply, let me change the line, get conf space stream underscore max. If you don't know what value it will return and what is the meaning of stream max, no problem, like we are going to discuss it here. But for now we are just running the actual syntax. We are just checking how the syntax is and how we can run it. Okay, so pressing F3 for save and exit. Now remember one thing, this is the path which we can use to run the script, so it's time to run it. So I'm just taking option QSH here. It will open this Qshell command entry. From here we can put the actual path of the script, which is /home /Sharmit /text /Sharmit 3.sh and enter. Once you press enter, it prints this value. The value is fetching stream max using getconf utility, which is just a hard-coded text, and the value is 32767. Okay, so let's understand what is written here or what value we have got. So now we will discuss the notes. So in notes I have noted down the command getconf stream max and its argument 3267 refers to querying the system configuration for the maximum number of files, or you can say streams, that a process can have open simultaneously. Okay, so what this value indicate? It indicate the maximum number of files or streams that a process can have open simultaneously. Now if you break down the entire command, then it would look like this. Getconf, this command is used to query system configuration variable. Stream max, this configuration variable specifies the maximum number of files streams that a process can have open at same time. Okay, so in short you can say when you run the getconf stream max and get the output 32767, it indicates that each process in your system can potentially have up to 32767 files or streams open concurrently. So don't get confused, files or streams are same thing. So if someone is referring it as a stream, it's okay, you can consider it as a file, and if someone is saying it is file, then it's okay, we can consider it as a stream, because both are the same thing. So overall we can say that whenever we are going to use getconf utility in order to fetch the value of stream max, then we are fetching the maximum number of files or a stream that a person can have open simultaneously. Or in other words, this is the maximum number of files or stream that a process can have open at same time. Okay, so not a person, process. Yeah, so it's just a number of files that process can have open at a same time. Okay, so I think theoretically it is clear. Now we will quickly see like how the things are case sensitive here. So for example, let's say if I directly run this command here, we are not running this script this time, we are just running the command. So you can see right now it is providing us the same output. This is the hard-coded text which we have stored in script, that's why it is not coming here. We are just running the actual command and the value. But this is case sensitive. That means if I change the case of capital small g with capital G, it will give error. So you can see error found searching for command getconf no such path or directory. Similarly, if I take stream in small or whatever letter or all letters in small, it will give error, and this time it is showing configuration variable stream max is not valid on this system. So it is always make sure that whenever you are trying to access this value, always put getconf in small letters and configuration variable stream max in capital letters, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, so now it's time to run the same thing through CL program. So I'll just quickly walk through it. So this is the program. I'll take option 2 over here. Here we can see we have DCL, take F4, variable name, type, storage and length. Then we have chgvar, take F4 again, provide variable name and the script of the path of the script file, which is /home sharmit text sharmit 3.sh, and then we have strqsh, which is command, which is nothing but a variable where we have stored the script of the path of the script file. So once you run this program after a compile, I'll just take option 14. Like you can take option 14 and then you can select this option as per your requirement, but right now I'm not compiling it because it is already compiled for me. So I'll directly call this and you can see we have got the output which we are expecting because we are running the same script, so it should return the same output, which is fetching stream max using getconf utility, and the value is 32767. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things, so thank you for watching Qshell.